Good afternoon, Damien Egan from Ocean Protect. And here we are on a beautiful Melbourne day, wintry day, sun's out. We're in the southeast suburbs, we're in the Bayside suburb of Brighton, at a new car park that Bayside City Council put in. At the end of this car park there's a Jellyfish filtration system, but I just wanted to have a quick look at today the operation of the OceanGuard pit basket. These pit baskets have been in about 12 weeks, and as you can see, which is pretty typical after the autumn period, there's a lot of leaf matter, but there's also some raw pollutants that are trapped by the OceanGuard. And as part of a treatment train, it makes very good sense, both in terms of the long-term maintenance of the whole system for the whole site, to pre-treat in this way prior to the jellyfish treatment system. Have a good day.